Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how to see Telegram photos without stars. Like how you can see them without paying any stars. So now let's dive in. First of all, you have to head over to your Telegram platform. And then you have to know that there are two ways you can see star photos without actually paying stars. Now the first one is by avoiding photos that has stars on them. Yes, avoiding photos that have stars on them. Why the second method is by getting free stars to use to get to those photos. Yes, there's a way you can get free stars on Telegram, which I am also going to show you right now. So now let's start with the first method. The first method, you have to find photos that do not have any stars. So to do this, you just head over to any photos of you like, or any group, or any private, or any group at all that has photos on them, and then if those photos are star freeze, you can actually access them. So that is how it works. Always look for photos that do not have stars on them. This way you can view them without paying any stars. Now this is the first step. And the second step is to get free stars to access photos that have stars on Telegram. Now this is what you're going to do. To do this, what you have to do is first of all get free stars on Telegram, which I am going to show you right now. Please do not turn off, or just pay attention. Do not skip any part here. So this is what you're going to do if you want free stars, so that you can use to access stars, photos with stars on Telegram. What you're going to do is to head over to settings, and then you scroll down. Now in there you're going to see Telegram stars. Click on it first. Then you're going to see that my star balance is 0. What you're going to do, and do not click buy stars. If you click buy stars, you're going to pay some amount of money for stars, which some of us cannot afford. So what you're going to do is to head back and then click in stars. This is a new feature from Telegram that allows people who cannot be able to afford these stars to earn these stars for free. As you can see here, I'm already on a program which is Give First. Yes, I use this platform to gain some stars so that I can use it to access some photos and videos on Telegram. You too can join any stars here, any program. These programs are controlled by some mini apps here. They give free stars every day. You can get them, and then you can use them to access these photos that you want to access. So that is how you can be able to do this. And this comes to the end of this video. Thank you.